With its fantastic performance and innovative features, this stylish electric cooker with ceramic hob from Beko makes cooking effortless. The main oven and the second oven have an A rating for energy efficiency. The main oven has a large 69-litre capacity, whereas the second oven is smaller with a 36-litre capacity. There are 4 cooking zones on the hob, ranging from 2 different sizes, so it's great if you like having several pans on the go. Beko's Rapidlite zones heat up the hob in next to no time. They use specially designed hot plates which can heat up in just a few seconds. This means they'll reach the temperature you need much sooner than standard ceramic models. Now you won't have to wait around to enjoy that juicy steak at the end of a long day. The electric fan in the main oven provides a fast, effective, and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavors. This means you'll be able to prepare a variety of dishes at the same time, while your food will always have the perfect finish. If you're looking for an electric cooker with ceramic hob to make cooking effortless, this stylish model from Beko is the ideal choice.